I was doing peyote when I took my SATs. I got an 1800. I went to court for a parking ticket. I pleaded insanity. I said, Your Honor, why would anyone in their right mind park in the passing lane? Curiosity killed the cat, but for a while I was a suspect. When I die, I'm going to leave my body to science fiction. Left the store and went down the street to my bus. My bus came and I got on. Started walking toward the back. Sat down beside this beautiful blonde Chinese girl. I said hello and she said hello. I said, isn't it an amazing day? She said, yes it is, I guess. I said, what do you mean you guess? She said, well, things haven't been going too well for me lately. I said, like what? She said, I can't tell you. I don't even know you. And I said, yeah, but sometimes it's good to tell your problems to an absolute total stranger on a bus. She said, well, I've just come back from my analyst and he's still unable to help me. And I said, what's the problem? I like to leave messages before the beep. Sorry, my mind was wandering. I have a map of the United States, its actual size. It says 1 mile equals 1 mile. I bought one of those little glass ball things with the snow in it. You turn it upside down, then you turn it back and it starts snowing. I bought one. Except the one I have has a little plow in it that comes out and does the roads. Last night I was in a bar and I walked up to this beautiful woman and I said, do you live around here often? She said, you're wearing 2 different color socks. I said, yes, but to me they're the same because I go by thickness. And she said, how do you feel? And I said, well, you know, when you're sitting on a chair and you lean back so you're just on 2 legs and then you lean too far and you almost fall over with just at the last second you catch yourself. I feel like that all the time. I broke a mirror in my house and I'm supposed to get 7 years bad luck, but my lawyer thinks he can get me 5. I finally went to the eye doctor. I got contacts, but I only need them when I read, so I got flip-ups. A lot of people are afraid of heights, not me. I'm afraid of widths. I have a 3-year-old dog and named him Stay. He was a lot of fun when he was a puppy because when I call him, I would say, come here, Stay, come here, Stay. And he would go. When I get real bored, I like to drive downtown and get a great parking spot, then sit in my car and count how many people ask me if I'm leaving.